Introduction to HTML5 Colors. HTML5 uses three methods to define colors: color names, hexadecimal values, and RGB values. Colors enhance a website's aesthetics, user experience, and readability. Defining colors using color names. HTML supports 140 standard color names, each corresponding to a specific hexadecimal value. Color names are case-insensitive. Color names are easy to use, but offer a limited color range. Defining colors using hexadecimal values. Hexadecimal color values are denoted by a tag followed by 6 digits. These digits represent the intensity of red, green, and blue. Hexadecimal color values offer a wider color range, but are harder to remember. Defining colors using RGB values. RGB color values use the RGB property and 3 parameters, red, green, and blue. Each parameter ranges from 0 to 255. RGB values are less compact than hexadecimal values, but are more intuitive to use. Common mistakes and tips. Remember to include the number sign hack in hexadecimal values. Ensure RGB values range between 0 and 255. Test the color contrast to maintain legibility. Conclusion. Colors in HTML5 play a crucial role in enhancing the look and feel of a website. Color names, hexadecimal values, or RGB values can be used to define colors. Mastering these color definition methods is a stepping stone towards mastering HTML5.